good, man? Hair tutorial. So this is what my hair looking at right now. We got some growth on there. What I'm about to do is today I'm gonna take my double twists out, and I'm gonna be explaining what I'm using in my hair currently, what double twists do to your hair. You feel me? I'm gonna break it all down for y'all. I stopped lining up the front of my hair. That's preference. If you want to do it, you could do it, but I personally stopped because
that forehead boy.
But yeah, so this is what I use in my hair right now. Rose water. It's a rose water shampoo, no sulfates. So basically anything with no sulfates could go in your dreads, because sulfates cause frizziness. You don't want that. Right now, I deadly need a haircut. I need to shape up. Everything just crazy. But I'm getting that on Monday. But today, what we gonna do is wash this out. Get it real good. Wash all the residue. I'm gonna wash it with the double twists in, and then I'm gonna take them out. Another thing, do not wash your hair every week. If you wait a whole month, that's good, but 3 weeks is recommended. So every 3 weeks, get your retwist. That's preference. Again, I done went 3 months without a retwist. Not a good idea. But you could do like 2 months, a month and a half. Keep it around there. But we're gonna go ahead and wash this out. Alright, this is how my hair look when it's wrapped up in a bun. I just damp it. So I already washed it. Y'all saw the product I used. Usually want to leave it in this for about like 10 minutes just so it could dry. But right now, I'm gonna go ahead and start picking out the rubber bands. Alright, y'all. Once you're all done, a good way to like check if you're done. Once you think you're done, a good way to check is grab all the hair from back here, throw it in front, and feel if you feel a big one or a double one, because sometimes one will stay in the back, which I got one. You see it? And another way to do it is, you see how I broke it? That's another way if the comb don't work. My hair grew a lot. I'm gonna show y'all the trick how to grow your hair, man. I done told y'all this from the beginning of my hair tutorials. Now I'm about to tell y'all because y'all see it happening. Let's get it, man. Let's have a sit down. Let's break it all down, man. Y'all pay attention, take notes, and y'all could do it too. All right, y'all, what is goody, man? Y'all see the crazy growth. It's just growing so much. So the real truth is, the less products, the better. It's crazy, right? So one of the things that my OG actually put me on. For those who don't know what OG is, my mom, she put me on. What I'm about to show y'all right now is the key to growth. I put so many people on. I showed y'all this before, but I gotta emphasize it. This is the key to growth, okay? Let it focus. Y'all see that? Black castor oil. Go get you some, bruh. I'm not gonna stress it too much, because y'all supposed to know that, man. When TY say something, that's what it is, man. Like black castor oil. It don't gotta have coconut oil. This one have coconut oil in it. It don't have to. But just once you got black castor oil, you straight. It's like touching my back now, bro. Like I could like put it in my face. Once your hair get longer, you start to have more fun with it, bro. It becomes way more fun, you know. It gets heavier. It feels like my hair right now. Why does it? It flows like it just. You see how natural it look? I'm gonna show y'all another thing. It's just a spray bottle. What I have in here is water, right? So you want water is your hair's best friend. Water is your hair best friend. Okay? Not the water that come out of the faucet. Actually drinking water. Don't put the water that come out of the faucet in your hair. That's why when you're about to take a shower, make sure your hair is up. Put it in a bun and try your best not to get it wet. If you want to do a shower cap, use a shower cap. I don't use a shower cap. But water is your hair's best friend. So right now, after I dried it, well, it's kind of still a little. Your hair never gonna be completely dry unless you walk outside. But do your best. Do the best you can with the towel. And I'm gonna leave a link with a towel. I'm about to get a special towel because your normal towel cause frizziness. Well, that one that I have is similar to the special towel that I want. It's an anti-frizz towel, basically. So what I have in here is the same thing what I wash my hair with, my shampoo, is rose water. So it's actual, but that contains rose water. What's in here is actual rose water. So that's all that's in here. I add like I don't know, probably, well, if you have a bottle like this, it got the numbers on it, so you want to fill it to at least like, I would say 6 to 6. Yeah, fill it to 6. Usually these bottles have numbers on it, so fill it to 6 with rose water, and then add water for another 6, which makes it 12, because you gotta dilute it. After that, all you do is like give it a couple shakes. You should be good. Don't worry. It's dreads. They honestly, dreads are not supposed to be washed. That's disgusting, but they're not supposed to be. They're not supposed to be retwisted. They're just supposed to grow like that. People with that have Rasta, they have like the healthiest but dirtiest dreads. Crazy, right? But we gonna go ahead and spray. So what I do is spray it in the scalp first. I get the back too. Then I'll part one side of my hair, grab it, and spray it out. That one's done. You got the other side. Okay. So now, just rub it all in. There you go. So remember, the less products you put in your hair, the better. Once you put the rose water in, you don't have to dry it again. Let it air dry with the rose water in. Another thing is retwisting, double twisting your hair, styling your hair. Make sure you leave it in, bruh. Leave it in for at least 2 weeks. Cause look, when you get your hair retwisted and you get it styled, that's to hold your retwist. So like, say you retwist your hair, right? And you feel like, damn, your style is too tight, whatever style you put in, and you take it out the next day, you ain't do nothing. It's like you never got a retwist. Cause what happens is, not only does the style lock the retwist in and make it last longer, but it also grows your hair. So what I do is, if I have to, I'll leave my styling for a month. And then right like the next day when I'm about to get another retwist, I take the style out. So y'all take notes, man. Like I said, like this video if you liked it. Comment below what other tutorial y'all want to see. Let me know how this helped y'all, and let me know. Look, my Instagram below. Y'all send me y'all dread pictures. Like what y'all length looking like? Y'all length to y'all shoulders yet? What, they down here? Let me know. We going all the way, man. I might grow it all the way like to down here. I'm not gonna let it touch my butt. Like, I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna keep cutting it. So let me know what you gonna do with your hair, man. And y'all already know, man, how we going up. Subscribe if you new, man. You know, I told y'all. Didn't I say it? This channel gonna stay litty, man. Look at the background. This shit it's getting serious. It's getting serious, man. No cap.